Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Bay County, Florida. And today we're going to be doing a buyer's agent video tour of 609
East Pine Forest Drive.
listed by Coldwell Banker Carroll Realty. So here we go. I'm going to start by giving you a little tour from the driveway while Alice gets the door unlocked. So here's across the street. There's the view down the street. This is now the front yard. Front of the home. One car garage. Looks like she's got the door open. Ooh, pretty.
Welcome home. It is adorable.
Very.
The floor is tile, wood-like, very nicely done. Soft close cabinetry. I love the light fixtures. They did a real good job here. Stainless steel appliances, the big sink. Look at that refrigerator. Oh my god. Such a nice job. I love seeing properties like that. Check that out. Let me check the windows.
I love the sink too.
All new windows. Slide glass door. What a little puppy door out there.
What? Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's all screened in out here.
Brand new fencing.
I'm actually wondering if I can get out this. Yeah. I'll take a view of the back of the house from outside. Nice, good sized yard. Alright. Let's look down the side real quick. Hey, you got a neighbor pup. Storage shed over here. Let's go back inside now. We'll go in through the dog door this time. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Come here. So you have 2 bedrooms. I'm sorry, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Brand new AC unit here. And appears to be gas, right? Is it right? No.
No.
No, it's just a coolant.
Yeah, this is the coolant line here.
Yeah,
Refrigerant
okay.
line.
Electric. One gas bathroom here. A little coat closet here.
I don't see any coats.
Huh, I haven't had one yet.
I see.
Then the guest bedroom. guest bathroom. No carpet. And then this one will be the master over here.
Alice is always one step ahead of us. What do we got in here?
I'm too fast. I got a linen closet. Then you have a walk-in closet and a master bathroom right there with a shower.
There's your closet.
This is adorable.
And as she said, the bathroom?
Yeah, there's no tub there, it's just a shower. But
Yeah.
that's what you need. This is so cute.
Yeah, and then your view to the backyard.
Right?
I think that we might have missed
The garage?
the garage and the foyer. I mean, we walked through the front door, but didn't get to take a turn to the right. So there's the front door.
Yeah, there's
And
a one-car garage. Brand new water heater.
some workbenches in here, so your laundry hookups are in the garage too. And new water heater.
Okay, guys.
We're gonna call this one a wrap, and we will catch you on the next one. Hope you
If you'd
liked
like
it.
to see any other like this, give us a call.
Oh, don't forget to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button if you want to see more. Talk to you on the next one.
Bye-bye for now.